Good morning, dear student. How are you? Dear student, I hope all of you will be fine at your home. Dear student, if any of you will have any doubt, then you can ask. You can send your message on my personal WhatsApp or you can direct call to me. Dear student, if you have any doubt related to maths, physics, or chemistry, then you can send your message on my personal WhatsApp. Today I am going to explain exercise 3.6 which I have written, question I have written on this board. Dear student, read carefully this question and I am going to explain and try to understand. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Dear student, I have written question on this board. Solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Dear student, क्वेश्चन लिख दिया हमने, इसको सॉल्व करना है. 1/2x plus 1/3y equal to 2 and second equation 1/3x plus 1/2y that is equal to 13/6. We have to solve this. How will we solve this question, dear student? Let's try to understand. Dear student, क्वेश्चन हमने लिख दिया है यहाँ पर. ये जो पहला इक्वेशन है डियर स्टूडेंट, इसको मैं लिख रहा हूँ 1/2x plus 1/3y that is equal to what 2. This can be written like this 1/2 into 1/x. We can write this plus 1/3 into 1/y. Also we can write in this form equal to 2. Dear student, now we will consider 1/x equal to u. Dear student, let 1/x equal to u, and dear student, we will consider 1/y equal to v. Dear student, just we consider 1/x equal to u and 1/y equal to v. Then this will be 1/2. 1 by x is what? U. Plus 1/3. 1/y is what? V. That is equal to 2. Dear student, now we will solve this. We will take LCM of 3 and 2. What will be the LCM of this? 6. And this will be what? 3u plus 2v, that is equal to 2. Dear student, I think all of you will be understanding. But dear student, if any of you will have any doubt, then you can direct call to me or ask. Dear student, this will be 3u plus 2u 2v equal to upon 6, that is equal to 2. Now dear student, we will solve this. Cross multiplication we will do here. Three u plus 2v into 1. 3u plus 2v equal to 2v into 1. What will be 3u plus 2v? We will multiply 1 into 3u plus 2v, and 6 into 2, what will be 12. This one we will consider this is first equation. What is that? This is first equation. 3u plus 2v equal to what? 12. And yes, student, now we will solve 1/3x plus 1/2y equal to 13/6. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे डियर स्टूडेंट. 1/3x plus 1/2y that is equal to 13/6. So dear student, again we can write this in this form 1/3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y, that is equal to what? 13 upon 6. Nowadays we will consider 1 by x. What we consider 1 by x, that is equal to what? U, and 1 by y, that is equal to v. 1 by 3 into 1 by x, we will put here vu plus 1 by 2, 1 by y is what? V, equal to 13 upon what? 6. Now dear student, we will solve. This will be what? U upon 3 plus v upon 2, that is equal to 13 upon 6. Dear student, any doubt? I think no any doubt will be. It is very simple. Now dear student, I am going to erase this. Dear student, we will solve this. U upon 3 plus v upon 2, that is equal to 13 upon 6. We will solve this. We will take LCM of 3 and 2. What will be LCM of 3 and 2? That is 6. And here what will be? 2u plus 3v equal to 13 upon 6. From both sides, 36 into 6 and 6 cancel हो जाएंगे dear student. Then we will get what? 2u plus 3v equal to 13. Now dear student, we will consider equation second. Dear student, first equation was this 3u plus 2v equal to 12, and second equation is what? 2u plus 3v equal to 13. Now we will solve these two equations by any method, substitution method or elimination method, and we will get the value of u and v. Dear student, now I am going to solve these two equations. This first equation is what? 3u plus 2v equal to 12. And second equation is what? 2u plus 3v equal to 13. That is first equation, and that is what? Second equation. Now we will solve these two equations by any method, substitution method or elimination method. Dear student, multiply equation first by 3 and equation second by 2. Multiply equation. Dear student, multiply equation first by 3 and second by 2. And equation second by 2. ये स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 3 जा 9u, 3 2 जा 6v और 3 12 जा 36 और 2 से सेकेंड इक्वेशन का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 2 जा 4u, 2 3 जा 6v, 2 3 जा 26. Dear student, तो डियर स्टूडेंट, इंक लग रहा है डियर स्टूडेंट खत्म हो गया. थोड़ा सा इसमें इंक डाल देता हूँ. डियर स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू can solve these two equations by elimination method or substitution method. Yes, sir. This one. Now we will subtract. This is what will be third, and that will be what? Fourth. On subtraction, this one we will subtract. Sign will change here. Plus will be minus, plus will be minus, and plus will be what? Minus. That will be cancelled. 9 minus 4, what will be dear student? 9 minus 4, 5u equal to 36 minus 26, what will be? 10. Therefore, u equal to 10 upon 5. Then u equal to what? 2. Dear student, just we got the value of u. What is 2? Put the value of u in any equation, first or second. We will get the value of v. Dear student, we will write here. Put the value of u in equation first. First equation is what? 3u plus 2v equal to 12. Yes, that is first equation. We will put the value of u. Value of u is what here? 2. 3, put the value of u 2 plus 2v equal to what? 12. 3 to 6 and 2v equal to what? 12. Therefore 2v equal to 12 minus 6. 2v equal to what? 12 minus 6? 6. 12 minus 6 is what will be 6. Therefore v equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Dear students, just we got the value of v is what? 3. And we have also find the value of u is what? 2. But dear student, we what consider? Dear student, already we have considered 1 upon u equal to what? 1 upon x. 1 upon x equal to what? U, and 1 upon y equal to what? V. Put the value of u and v, we will get the value of x and y. Therefore 1 upon x equal to u. The value of u is what? 2. And here we will solve this. 2x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to what? 1 by 2. And dear student, value of v is what? 3. We will put here 1 by y equal to 3. We will solve this. 3y equal to what? 1. Therefore y equal to 1 by 3. Dear students, just we got the value of x and y. The value of x is what? The value of x is 1 by 2, and the value of y is what? 1 by 3. This is our answer, dear student. X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. Dear student, I think all of you will be understanding well just what I teach here. But dear student, any of you will, if any of you will have any doubt, then you can ask. You can direct call to me, or you can send your message on my personal WhatsApp. Dear student. Dear student, such type of question is very, very important, and many times these questions are asked in previous board examination. So dear student, you have to make practice of this question at least 2 or 3 times. And dear student, watch video also 2, 3, 4 times for better understanding. And dear student, I think all of you will be well understood just what I teach here. Dear student. And dear student, there are many questions. There are many questions in NCERT in this exercise. So try to solve. And if any of you face problem, then you can ask. Dear student. Okay, dear student, thank you so much.